Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're going to look at a 2011 264 Sunesta. This is a Chaparral. It is powered by a 5-liter Volvo Penta engine. It's got nice sea deck in the back. This is a beautiful boat. It has a remote stereo in the back. It has fresh water in the stern as well. This folds out into a nice double lounger. Okay, in the interior of this boat, you can see we have cup holders here. We have a nice sink here. We have plenty of storage underneath here, underneath the sink. Nice table mount here in the corner. Don't mind the ice, folks. It's going to get warmer. 2 captain's chairs, double bolsters at the helm and the co-pilot seat. Full instrumentation. This also has a hydraulic engine cover as well on this boat. Compass. You'll notice that this boat also comes equipped with a spacious head, nice sink there, and that's a vacuum flush toilet. So that's just like your toilet at home. The nice ski tower on this boat. It's equipped with 2 ski lockers, 1 forward, 1 midships. Here's your master stereo control. And here's your table mounts underneath here. Nice spacious bow. Armrests. We have another table mount up here. And anchor locker. Plenty of cup holders on the bulwarks as well as speakers. This boat is Sirius XM satellite ready. My name's Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Give us a call, 803-831-2101. Thanks a lot for watching.